Hey, what's up, guys? This is the third time my Midea, all the power went out. So here's the problem these things are having. See that piece right there? It's all the way back. That piece latches, I don't know if you can see it, to this right here. My hand is. That piece latches to that piece, and for some reason, it keeps going all the way back in there. See it? So, this is my first time really doing it. So you get one of these things right here and put it in there to catch it, to hook it. Okay. And then you're supposed to just pull it forward. And that's how it should look. Once you pull it forward, it looks like that. And you can see it's back on. But yeah, get you one of these things here. The lady said use a clothes hanger, but these things work too. These these things here. Just take it, put it in there, and you put it in there, just pull it forward. And that's how it should look. Okay? They need to do a recall on this thing. This is the third time this has happened. But that's what fixes it. They said get a clothes hanger. And I don't know why it keeps doing that.